Happy morning, happy afternoon, and happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nandis. How did the audit paper go? Was it tricky? What is the answer for this MCQ, that MCQ? Let's do the review of the audit paper. Please, please don't mess with your head right now. One thing I can tell you is if a paper is difficult, the correction will be a little lenient. That much I can assure you. That is how it was when I was a student also, and ICA is still doing that. So please don't get worried about what has happened and keep moving forward. There is only 1.5 days for your next exam. Financial management and strategic management is waiting for you, and that's it, guys. That's it, talking about audit paper. Now I'm just going to move forward. Now, in the 1.5 day strategy, I want to talk about the game plan as to how you have to study, how many hours for each of the chapters and all of those things. But before that, I will tell you the resources which is available for you in this 1.5 days. The expected question marathon is going to go live at 7:15 p.m. I'm gonna be there with you all, and we will be completing the entire marathon by 9:45 p.m. Before 10 o'clock, you will be done with entire strategic management. Trust me, this is going to be a game changer in your FMSM preparation itself. I've already given the expected question list. It's just a single pager, unlike auditing. Just 5 chapters and precisely 43 questions, guys. Keep the list ready with you when you sit with me at 7:15 p.m. That is my only request from you all. In this day itself, when you finish everything and sleep, you will get seriously a very, very peaceful sleep. Trust me on that. I also have another resource, that is the workout revision has been done, and for that I've used the 8 model test papers, RTPs, MTPs, previous exam paper, and the duration of that is going to be 3.5 hours. If you want this practice of doing, so that you will know what kind of tricks they can do in the question, to get the practice of that, you can spend this 3.5 hours if you want. But definitely the expected questions marathon, I want you to go through that. There are 2 ways to go through it, guys. One is going live with me 7:15 to 9:45, finishing it and throwing the expected question marathon and doing your own concepts revision. That is one way. The second way is you start with your preparation strategy, you finish the chapter number 1, come here and do the marathon with me. Spend that half an hour, because the video is going to be there even after the 10 p.m. Even after the live is over, the video is going to be with you until your exams. So you don't have to worry about that. Now coming to the planner, how much time I have to allocate for each of the chapters in strategic management. For chapter 1 to 4, 1 hour approximately for each of the chapter. Only for chapter number 5, you get 2 hours. I have a planner, guys, where apart from the expected question marathon, I want you to study for 6 full hours for strategic management. And if you are going to follow this planner, you are going to get totally 16 hours in hand. That is from tomorrow and day after tomorrow. And out of the 16 hours, only 6 hours for SM and 10 full hours for FM, financial management. Now today, freshen up, get ready, and have like a snack or something, and just energize yourself for the 7:15 p.m. live. You will be finishing by 9:45 the entire strategic management, and then slot number 2 starts at 10 to 11 p.m. Any of your choice, FM1 easy chapter, you finish it, have dinner and go to sleep. Trust me, such peaceful sleep you will be getting tonight. 14th September, that is tomorrow morning, you're going to wake up and you're going to start at 7 a.m. The first slot is going to go till 9:30, and then breakfast break. Again, come back 10:30 to 1 p.m., 2.5 hours. The second slot, 1 to 2, lunch. Make sure you have light lunch and come back 2 to 5 p.m., 3-hour important slot, biggest slot you're going to spend, and then come back at 6 p.m., 2 hours again till 8 p.m. You're going to study, 8 to 9 break, and 9 to 11. 2 hours you're going to study without you even knowing it. 12 full hours you are going to study, guys, with proper breaks in between. On the day of exam, 15 September, again, you're gonna have proper sleep, wake up early in the morning, 7 to 9 a.m., 2 hours you have, and again 9 to 9:30 breakfast time, 9:30 to 11:30, another 2 hours you have, 4 hours in hand just on the day of exam itself. Maybe you can keep the last 2 hours for seeing the RTPs, MTPs, and all of those things. It will be really, really helpful for you to do the questions also and not only the concepts. So that's it, guys. I've given you the schedule that out of the 16 hours, how much you have to spend for SM, how much for FM. And yes, I'm gonna see you all live today at 7:15 p.m. It's gonna be worth it. Trust me, guys. It is the problem is on me that I have to make it interesting. I have to make you stay till the end of the video and all of those things. I will take care of that. I'll take care of that. Just trust me and come for the expected question marathon, and I'll see you there, guys. All the best. Let us do it together. FMSM, I am here with you for SM. Lots of content coming this side. So yes, subscribe to the channel also. So anything I put, you will get it immediately on top of your feed itself. Yes, guys, all the best. Let's do it together.